Angie's Table. Today we have a treat for you guys. We are making KFC, and KFC doesn't stand for Kentucky Fried Chicken. It's actually going to stand for Korean Fried Chicken today. So in Korea, the two most popular items I think would be the original golden crispy fried chicken and also the Yangnyum chicken, which is a Korean sauce that is slightly spicy, very sweet, but it's smothered all over that fried chicken. You can get Yangnyum pan and fried pan, which is half of the saucy chicken and half of just the original fried chicken. And it's really good, so we're gonna show you guys how to make this today. Let's jump right in and check out these ingredients. So with Korean fried chicken, it doesn't really require any veggies. So there's not that much prep to do other than dunking your chicken in some milk, because this helps to get rid of any gamey smell that the chicken might have, and it also kind of helps to tenderize it a little bit. So do this for about 2 hours or overnight if you can. If you don't have milk at home and you feel like skipping out on this step, that's fine too. Now we're gonna add 1.5 cups of Korean frying powder along with 1 cup of water. We are using Korean frying powder today. If this is not available, you can use all-purpose and just add a very small amount of cornstarch to make it extra crispy. So we want it to be this thick of a consistency, and we're gonna add all our drumsticks in. Last one. Make sure every surface is battered up. I decided to choose drumsticks because that's my favorite part, that or wings, but we had an excess of drumsticks at home, so I'm gonna be using just drumsticks today. Grace, is your favorite part the drumstick?
No, mine's the wing. Kevin likes the drumstick.
I feel like thighs, or like, I know Chino likes chicken breast, but it's not really like that popular, huh?
No, that's like the least popular.
Yeah. So in this gallon-sized Ziploc bag, I do have some Korean frying powder in here. So now that the drumsticks are in a wet batter, we're gonna dredge it in this powder, and it creates a almost like Popeyes or KFC crust. It's like waves of flakes kind of around it, but it looks like waves. You know what I mean? Okay. But it's gonna have like a similar appearance to KFC or Popeyes, and it's gonna be really crispy and good. So let's go ahead and put that here, and then we're gonna get frying. So, okay, and then we are gonna coat this. Make sure it's fully coated, because this is what makes it really crispy. Shake off the excess, place it on here, and we continue. The reason why I do it in this baggie is because I feel like it's just like easier cleanup. You can just throw it out after, you don't get as much crumb on the countertops, it's just easier and less dishes. So, I really wanted to Korean fried chicken because I just finished watching Crash Landing on You again, because I watch it every winter. It gives me all the best winter cozy feels. I don't know why, I love that drama. I think it's hilarious, and they eat a lot of fried chicken in there. So I really wanted to do it.
It's because they are sponsored by
Olive chicken, yeah. If you guys have ever been to Korea, their chicken is outstanding. Like nothing like you've tried here. It's not only the sauce aspect that I'm talking about, but it's just how the batter is. It's not as thick. It's very light, actually. I don't know if it's like their frying powder. Maybe it's this Korean frying powder that does the magic.
I feel like the oil is just cleaner.
That too. Yeah. Now we're gonna use an oil that has a high smoking point. So I'm using vegetable oil. So the oil, I think, has come to a boiling point. We can test it out by adding some flour and see. Yep, it pops right back up, so let's get frying. We'll do like 2 or 3 at a time. Okay, so it's not too crowded. Wow. It's getting there. For the chicken to be fully cooked and light golden brown, it should be cooking in the oil for about 8 minutes. Slowly reaching that color.
Oh, you're right. It does look like waves.
Like it looks like wavy.
It does look like KFC.
Ooh.
Little longer?
Do you guys know what it's time for?
Please remain seated.
Today's word of the day is 산책, which means to take a stroll. And today I wanted to use this word because I told Grace that I wanted to take a stroll with her and Ella and Essie because the weather's really warming up now. It's getting a lot warmer and the sun's out. It just feels like an amazing day. So I wanted to go out on a walk. And I think most of you guys know this if you guys watch our other vlogs, but one of my favorite forms of exercise is to go on a walk and get 10,000 steps. I feel like I clear up my mind a lot, get a lot of good air in. Because of the winter season, I wasn't able to go out and I did like an indoor cycling thing. I think soon it will be walking season. So today's word of the day is 산책, which means to go on a stroll. So while the rest of the chicken is frying, we're going to make the sauce. We'll have the heat at like a medium low and we're gonna give this really good mix until it starts to reduce and bubble slightly. This smells so good. We're gonna add the chicken in here and give it a good mix. We are now going to eat. I tried this sauce actually. My fingers a little so good. So let's start. I'm gonna take a Coke. Grace has too. The mic's up here.
My goodness.
Woohoo! It's like all foam.
Good?
Yes.
Why is your straw sticking out?
You know.
Okay.
Okay. Do you want chicken?
Can I try it?
Yes.
Mmm, very good.
Here, do you guys want to try it?
Oh my gosh, scared me. Why are you creeping?
This sauce is so good though.
Juicy.
And this huge one. That is like a turkey leg. Does Kevin want one?
Oh, nice.
They're so good. Right?
Oh, that sauce is good. Wow, that's bomb.
The sauce is so good, right? I told you. No one's talking.
That's a good thing.
I need to film you guys.
Whenever Kevin and I go out to eat at a restaurant, if we're quiet, it's a good sign.
Very good. Look at the skin.
So good.
Chicken skin. Shino's upstairs taking care of Ella.
Thanks, Shino.
This is finger licking good. I hope you guys tried this video. Or not video. Try making Korean fried chicken, especially with the sauce. It's so good. And we'll see you guys on our next video.